Hello, Snappers! Today we're going to show you how to edit an event. First, find the event you want to edit. If you want to edit the name, date, description, or thumbnail, tap on the right and select Edit. If you make any changes, please tap Save to record them. To make changes to the camera, formats, visuals, and other settings, please enter the event. You can also change the name, description, date, and thumbnail there. Once you are there, you can access the menu you need, make the required changes, and tap to save. It is important to remember to tap Save because if you don't, the changes won't be applied to your event. When you have made the changes, make sure that everything is set before you start recording. Once everything is ready, you can start recording. Now you know how to edit an event if you ever need to. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more like it, please let us know in the comments section and subscribe to our channel. See you later, Snapper!